What's up, guys? Trail of the Wild. We are going on a nature walk right now in Florida. It's really nice. We're gonna see a lot of wildlife. Let's get into it. So, walking down.
Yeah, that's still neat to see. And that's a great boardwalk. We'll call it.
It's a boardwalk. It's a stroll.
No, it stops at the dead end. Yeah.
Some falcons.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the end is dead. Yeah.
Falcon. Water's where you want to be.
It's nice out here.
Nice.
Very nice. And we have clouds.
Nature walk.
Straight up, very much like a dome.
That's what I keep saying. They're all around the fringes.
Just a dome.
Under the dome.
But we've been at your swimming pool, and then it storms there, and there's big clouds. When the thunderstorms.
Yeah, one time there's a lot. So we were at the pool, and ooh, actually, this looks like a good place for gators.
This would be a great place.
And yeah, you could fall into a bunch of patches of fire ants, Connor, right? Yeah. That's great. And you get a touchdown. Let's go, fire ants! Then it makes you.
Is different from SeaWorld that someone said is really good.
It's like no, like that made the fire ants make you dance. Yeah.
Wildlife.
Set it out.
Oh yeah.
The Wildlife Kingdom is supposed to be awesome.
Yeah,
Oh, and Disney? Animal Kingdom.
Beautiful birds.
Are you going up in here? And that could be something pretty unplanned.
Make it.
I had signed up to play golf in my Friday morning group, but I can cancel that easy.
Honestly.
That might be
I could play golf.
But I'll look into some prices. This beautiful day might be fun.
Do you want to go? Do you guys want to go up here?
Want to go up there and look around?
Yeah.
See if we can spot some gators. Let's go. It's for nature, people. Nature walks. Which is alligator mississippiensis, and that's a baby. It's about 2 feet. He's probably only about 7 years old, and
It's a good 3 feet, I think, from the tip to the tail.
yeah. And what's cool about them is moving in all this sawgrass and all this stuff, and it's hard to see in the water. They have a nictitating membrane, which is basically a third eyelid, so it helps them see through the water when they're moving around. So he may be preying on those ducks as he's stalking them, and they don't even notice, and he's only about 3 feet, but he can take one of those ducks pretty easily. Pretty amazing.
Good job, bud.
So. Hey guys, well, we had a good trip. We saw a 3.5 foot, 2 or 3 year old gator, which was pretty nice. I've checked, and I thought that he would be. I thought he was like 4 feet since of the tail, but I didn't see it. He would have been around like 5 if he was, no, probably like 4 if he was 4 feet. And yeah, he's about 2 or 3 years old. The reason why I said 7 or 8 is because I thought that he was a little bigger, and he wasn't, as you can see. And well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys later in some other videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the birds. If you guys are bird enthusiasts, we saw a lot. We saw a lot of reptiles. We didn't see any amphibians. We did not see any turtles or anything else. My brother's behind the camera with the hiccups. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.